Hi everyone. Today I'm playing Grow a Garden, and I can't use my voice today because I have a bad cough. So I have a question for you guys. Do you like the new summer update? And do you guys miss Sam? Do you guys like the new seeds? Sorry if I'm asking tons of questions. It's just I am hoping you like the update. And is the purple sugar apple normal? And if you still don't know the seeds, I could show it. And sorry if I'm scrolling fast. They still have the carrots, strawberry, watermelon, and blueberry seeds. And I sometimes will use my voice for some videos if my cough will be better. And if you want me to add you in Roblox, just comment your username, and comment if you want me to use my voice sometimes. I sometimes don't know what to say because I am using CapCut to use text to speech. And I'm so happy that I have a beanstalk. It's because I really wanted that. And I'm so sorry for the people that missed the alien-like mutation when the update was gonna start. By the way, did you guys stayed awake for the update, guys? 'Cause I stayed awake for it. 'Cause I'm so excited. And I have this technique. I was buying all the watering cans, sprinklers, and the recall wrench. To never get to run out of it. By the way, do you guys like my garden? I work so hard for it. And sorry if I'm very talkative. Or do I mean chattative? Sorry for the bad joke. For me, I think my garden is messy. I really miss Sam, but if he's happy to go, I am happy. And I'm sorry if I'm talkative, or do I mean chattative? Sorry for the bad joke.
Emotional damage.
I am fixing my garden a bit so it won't be too much light. And do you see my big pumpkin? It was from the My Quest that I finish. Oops, I accidentally removed my cabana. Let me fix it. And by the way, please, when you added me, can we trade if you have a raccoon? I really need it. By the way, did you notice my big coconut tree? And I am very sorry that I am so talkative, so I won't chat a little bit. And it's 'cause my fingers is tired. And if you guys notice, I'm harvesting my pepper that I put together. I'm very sorry it's messy. Before my garden was very messy. So I thought before I should fix it. Nobody hasn't chat weird, maybe they don't wanna. Sorry if the shop screen is in the way. It's because I wanna see it, sorry. I will turn it off soon, very sorry guys. And by the way, did you guys notice in the summer harvest reward, they have in moon melon seeds, and I really want one. So I have been trying to get one. And it's because I missed the moon update. Like this moonlit mutation right now is happening. I don't know why they still have it. I won't talk for now because I need to focus to get the moon melon seed, because the summer harvest started. I accidentally didn't notice the summer harvest started, whoops, sorry. This was a while ago because I'm editing this. And sorry I haven't posted full videos for a while. I'm gonna try harvesting my beanstalk. So if you guys don't know, I'm hiding the letters, so it won't be in the way. in trying to get up on my coconut tree so I can get the disco, but I keep falling. So this will be it. Hope you guys feel well, stay healthy everyone, and bye. I will make a part 2 bye.